In a small Arab village, a non-Muslim married woman was known for her devotion to Allah and her recitation of Surah Al-Fatiha, a chapter in the Quran that is believed to have healing powers. Her recitation brought blessings and miracles to those who listened. One day, tragedy struck when her son was bitten by a poisonous snake. Despite seeking help from doctors and healers, there seemed to be no cure for the venomous bite. Desperate, the woman remembered the healing power of Surah Al-Fatiha and decided to recite it for her son. As she recited the surah, a miraculous transformation occurred. Her son's pain subsided, and he stood up as if he had never been bitten. The woman's husband, initially skeptical, witnessed the miracle and questioned her about the power of Surah Al-Fatiha. The woman explained that it was not magic but the divine power of Allah that healed their son. Intrigued, her husband started questioning the teachings of Islam and the Quran, slowly opening his heart to the faith. However, as the husband embraced Islam, his newfound faith was met with resistance from his own family. They mocked and mistreated the woman, who remained steadfast in her beliefs and continued to recite Surah Al-Fatiha for guidance and strength. Despite the hardships, the woman's faith remained unshaken. She found solace in the words of Surah Al-Fatiha and continued to recite it, knowing that Allah's guidance would lead her and her husband on the right path. Over time, the husband's family witnessed the positive changes in their lives and the strength of their faith. Slowly, their hearts softened, and they began to question their own prejudices. The power of Surah Al-Fatiha had touched their lives too. In the end, the woman's unwavering faith and the healing power of Surah Al-Fatiha not only saved her son but also brought her husband and his family closer to Islam. It was a testament to the miracles that can happen when one believes in the divine words